Alright. Uh. Oh, there's a squirrel in a tree, I think. I can't see it. But, anyways. How's it going? Oh, Kurt, my name is Lone Wolf, and. Okay, there's garbage. And we're watching. Cryptid Cries. Oh! That looks like a smushed toad. Anyways, you're watching Cryptid Cries, and this is a nature walk, but I want to show you something, actually. Something really cool. I might talk about the history of... There's a cardinal. Hold on. See that bright red thing? That's the male cardinal that's been coming around. Let's see. Yep, there he is. Sorry that it's not that good. Oh. Not that good footage. Super shaky. I don't have steady hands. As well as... It's just when you zoom in on a phone and all of that, it's harder to, I guess, keep it steady. Because of how... Jesus. Hi, grasshopper. But, anyways, no. Hold on. If you listen to all of, like, the crickets or whatever going off, it's a pretty good day. Oh, grasshopper. Yes, I got boots on, but have shorts. I don't know why. And to be fair, because I like to go into woods and tall grass, I'm almost like allergic to grass. Which, kind of sucks when I like being outside a lot. But, this is obviously a bridge that's part of the creek. And pretty flowers. And all of that, but, anyways, we may actually find a snake. Doubtful, considering they're all usually killed. Or just passing through. But, no, over there, past that mound, there's train tracks. But that's posted property. I don't, because this is Pennsylvania and it's the United States, for any of y'all who aren't from the United States. Sorry, I just seen that and thought that was a snake. I'm not quite sure what that is. It looks like a stick, but it's fuzzy. I'm just... Okay. That's stuff you see in the country. This all wasn't like this. People actually, or well, I guess the township just moved, like, blocked it off and all of that. But, oh yeah, for any of y'all who don't live in the United States and who may not know what the United States is, we have tons of guns. Most people have guns. So that's why I don't, trespass. Because, like, look, see? That right there? Giant log, but posted sign there, posted sign there. Clearly telling you that it's posted. But, because this is Pennsylvania and all of that, it's like one of the first states. I say one of the first, it wasn't the first. And in fact, I think it was like the 20th state to be deemed a... There's a rabbit. I think that's a rabbit, at least. I'm gonna go check that out. Oh, no, squirrel. It's a squirrel. It looked like a rabbit from here. But, no, yeah. Ooh, that tree just fell. But no, because it's one of the first bugs states, there's tons of old abandoned structures. For example, that looks like it could have been part of a bridge or house foundation. And this is by no means really the country. This is the outskirts of a town. Yeah, you can find some, where I go hunting at, you can find some interesting structures in the woods. Just going into the, jeez. Oh. Had like a bug go into my boot. That or some grass. But no. There's always these tunnels too. I'd go up in there, but I don't feel like showing you a dead deer. And also, some of these are actually starting to collapse in on themselves. I did put boards up here for snakes. Nothing yet. But no, yeah, this is obviously what I call Pine View. This is our backyard, and whoop-de-doo, what do you know? Looks like a deer track. Obviously white-tailed deer. Yep, they were here last night or so. That looks like the Big Doe's track. But no. Sorry. I'm trying to catch my words, if that makes any sense. But no, if here in Pennsylvania, it's almost, wouldn't want to call it like the UK of the United States, where like there's tons of abandoned structures and all of that there, but it's almost like if you were to go to a very old country tree or whatever, you could find some of like those weird structures that nobody uses anymore that have been abandoned, but could have been used for thousands to millions of years. Where here it's obviously mostly just a few hundred years. Because it's when the colonies were, like, the British colonies came over and all of that. But no, yeah. Deer tracks. Here, I don't see as many, like, ruins and all of that as, like, in this area as you think there'd be, but, like I said, where I go hunting at, there's tons of, like, old foundations and all of that from what I assume was a small, feather, a small mountain town, I guess you could say. Probably was when the Amish, because this is an Amish state, probably was when the Amish were living up there, and then they moved on and all of that. Or it was just a small pioneer town, or pilgrim town, technically. I get those two confused. But, yeah, it's... If I get the chance to, I might go up there, or try to go up there before hunting season to show y'all around. But instead of shorts, it'd be boots and camouflage pants. Or just pants in general. No matter how hot it is. But, I got rock in my boot. This is gonna suck. Grasshopper. Ooh. That's definitely the big doe's track, but she stepped weird. That's weird. Or interesting. All of these woods go on for miles, but they're not posted, so I can go in there. It's just, I don't know the woods that well. I'm not gonna get lost just for a video. But, no. Also up there, that's where some, I guess you could say, family members / family friends, found not the best Bigfoot track, but it was a footprint. You could slightly tell. You could see the heel, and it was bigger than their boot, but there was a huge structure that was there too. What the hell? Okay, that was there too, but when they showed me last year, sorry, that I heard something walking. But when they showed me last year, it was destroyed. Granted, bears did come in, but even still, how it was destroyed, I don't think a bear would have destroyed that structure like it did. Which means if it was Bigfoot and all of that, which I think it was, because some of those rocks, you'd need like 4 different people just to lift them up. And those logs, like I said, you'd need 4 to 6 different men pick it up just to set it there. And you're hunting, you're not gonna do that. That's stupid. You're gonna scare off a deer or whatever. Why would you do that? Which is why I think a Sasquatch or a Sasquatch family or whatever is up there. So if I go up there before hunting season, obviously I might have bright orange on too, just to be safe, because there are coyotes and all of that, which there's no season for coyotes, so it's kind of like you want to be careful up there. But no, okay, birds. Yeah, probably you should just stay right here, because I don't feel like being bitten by a snake if there's any snakes here. But no, I may show, if I go up there, I'll show you the structures or like the foundations and all of that. As well as there's supposed to be like an old house that's caved in on itself, which I suspect Sasquatch could be using as like a den or nest, whatever you want to call it. But no, yeah, it's just I don't know when that could be, if it'll even be for real. If that makes any sense, that like if it'll actually go out or like not like actually happen. That's what I was trying to say. But yeah, walking down here, obviously kind of showing you how what I'm gonna take to when I do the movie or short film, whatever you want to call it. If you actually look, you can see a trail from where. Ooh, that hurt. That hiccup hurt. But no, yeah. I'm just kind of going over this way some. There are houses here. Ooh, I think that's a buck track. Yeah, that's definitely a buck track. So the buck went this way? Yeah, it's I'll try. Ugh, sorry for the stuttering, but I'll try to make it up that way. Once all of this dies off and everything, I'll show you in the woods back more. It's just can't risk getting ticks and all of that. Because, yeah, it's gonna suck. But, oh, little jumper. See it? Yeah. It's, like I said, how all of this is gonna work is gonna be confusing. Because I won't be recording for hunting. Obviously, because I don't really have, like, something I can strap my phone to. But, no. Just, like, where I'll be hunting at, there's, like I said, there's structures, there's possible Bigfoot. So, that's a definite, want to search around there. Or explore there, but gotta see if there's someone willing to take me up there just to hike in general. Everything else. Because it's state game lands, so it's public land hunting. And if I'm not mistaken, public land hunting just means can mean anybody can go on there to hunt, but I think it also means it's like a hiking area too. And yeah, but yeah, like I said, they've told me that there's pretty much just a good structure in the way back woods. And it's like a deep one too, so it's a basement pretty much. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if a Sasquatch was using. But yeah, I'll probably walk down this way again, see if there's any animals, and then end the video, or I'll just end the video now, one of the two. But yeah, no, I may I may talk about one of the like something I personally like, history in the state that I personally like to learn about, or that I've learned about. And I had to learn it on my own since school doesn't teach you that. They talk about it like only for a half a day. They don't really even go into detail on what all went through. So I'll have to brush up on my history for this, but I'll even tell you the history of an awesome, well, it wasn't awesome, but like a very you know what, I can't say anything that won't spoil it, so I'll just keep it at in like a few weeks or whatever, like a few days, few weeks, whatever. I'll talk about the history of a technically like a national park, national monument, whatever you want to call it, that's here. But what I do want to do is maybe make a video on there, but we just have to see about everything. So you may see that soon. You may see it next month. It's whatever, or whenever. But no, yeah. I guess. So until next time, I'll see y'all on the next hunt. Bye.